filled to the brim with very cold water because it's time to play Sink It or Swim. That's right. Sitting directly across from me over his own tank of water, point guard for the Sacramento Kings, De'Aaron Fox. Hello, De'Aaron.
Thank you for having me.
In case you don't know the rules, Cousin Sal, our official referee, is here to explain it. Cousin Sal, explain away.
I'm gonna blow my whistle. You two are gonna start shooting. Whoever makes the basket first dunks the other in the tank. No peeing in the tank, okay?
No peeing in the tank.
No.
Wait a minute, I wasn't told there was no peeing in the tank.
All right, pee in the tank.
All right, thank you very much. All right. De'Aaron, did your parents sign a waiver to allow you to do this?
No, I'm a little bit, I just made the cut for the
You just
age.
made the cut? Okay, very good. All right, well, I'm very confident. I even have my phone in my pocket. That's how confident I am right now. This is a cold bath of water, and I'm hoping that I don't get in it. Yeah. I guess whoever goes in first, all right? Yeah. All right, here we go.
Ready?
Here we go.
Set, shoot! Wow.
That took less time than I expected it to. Well, De'Aaron. Oh, well, there you go. Thank you, Cousin Sal, for, yes. Oh, my God.
Come on.
Oh, wow. Nice. God doesn't want De'Aaron to go in the pool, I guess, is what's happening here. Well, that's the show. Oh, my goodness.
Okay, hold on.
Your GM just called. He's traded you. Wow, that's very sad. That's our show. I want to thank De'Aaron Fox. I want to thank... Well, that's it, I guess. I want to thank De'Aaron Fox. Thank you, De'Aaron. Hi, I'm Jimmy Kimmel, and I am not allowed to eat this cookie until you click the subscribe button. So please click now. I'm hungry.